while we're waiting for the realtor, we're gonna get a couple aerial shots. It doesn't matter what day of a week it is. If it's video day, it always seems to be trash day. In a townhouse neighborhood like this, it's gonna look all trashy. Today we're working with an awesome realtor. First name, move with, last name, Martina. Do something cool.
Cool.
Now we've decided that we're gonna open up the video with an exciting scene. So Martina has Rollerblades from 1987. When's the last time you went rollerblading?
I don't even remember.
Stafford is a colorful place to live, and today's listing is all about color.
Stafford is such a colorful place to live, and today's listing is all about the color.
We're going back to the house area to reshoot one of the scenes with the rollerblades on. Those are just some of the small things that we do to make our videos the best.
I'm not supposed to get back up. So when we work on stuff together, we always want to make every video different to get more views and make it fun. So I think this was pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool.
Thank you for watching today's behind the scenes. Check out the full video when it releases. Peace out, bro.
Big, bold, red color. Makes you go hungry. Makes you go hungry. Makes you go hungry. Makes you go hungry. Makes you hungry. Hamburger.
Is she hungry? Make me hungry. I'm quite famished. We're getting hungry.